Hey, what? Ray Mac. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
YouTube, what's up? I never knew that you could remove the little jiggly white thing from chicken tenders. But my daughter, she told me that she seen something on TikTok on how you could remove the white jiggly tendon from the tenderloin just by using a fork. So she had to show me this, but when I seen it for myself, I was like, wow. I always wanted to know, man, how could you remove those things without tearing up the meat? And look at that, y'all. This junk really freaked me out. I swear to God it did. So from here on out, every time I fix chicken tenders, I'm removing the little white membrane this way, grabbing it with a paper towel, using a fork, putting that paper towel right between that tendon and pulling down on the meat. And you could definitely, look at that, it's gone. Try this, y'all. I'm out of here.